Hello guys, I welcome you all on this wonderful platform that is Byju's Exam Prep. So guys, today we are going to discuss about the branch-wise preference for ESC paper 1 subject. Because my dear, you know that if you see the syllabus of ESC paper 1, which is of 200 marks, you know that there are 10 subjects. And those 10 subjects are taken from all the branches together. So obviously all the subjects may not be suiting to all the students of every branch. So my dear, based on that, I have chosen the correct sequence for different branches because you know if you see the even toppers mark sheet, so then you will get to know that even toppers in ESC paper 1 are not scoring more than 90 to 120 or 30 marks. So if that is the case, obviously we need not to go for each and every subject in that much detail because the same work, if we are going to the same effort, if we are going to dedicate to the technical paper, there are more chances of getting marks. Okay, so we will see one by one for each of branch. So guys, this is some detail about me. I am having around 10 plus years of experience, and whenever we are talking about this my subjects I am taking, so these are the technical subjects. Other than that, I take basics of project management, I take basics of material science. So these are the technical paper 1 subject which I take also. Okay, so let's move further. So guys, if you want the PDF of this session, you can join my Telegram channel Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. And guys, now we are moving to first of all the syllabus of ESC paper 1. ESC paper 1 is having around 10 subjects. The very first is engineering mathematics, second is aptitude, third is current affair, fourth is basics of material science, fifth is basics of project management, sixth is ICT, information and communication technology, seventh is basics of energy and environment, engineering drawing design fire safety, engineering ethics, and then we have standards and quality practices. First of all, I will tell you that these subjects are associated with which branch. Then I will tell you branch wise preference order. So if you see in this SQP, that is majorly related with the mechanical engineering syllabus. Okay, engineering ethics is related to the management, so it is equal for all the branches. Engineering drawing part is for all the branches you study in the first year, so this is for all the branches. But at the same time, design and fire safety are once again for the mechanical peoples, means that is taken from the syllabus of mechanical engineering. Then basics of energy, energy is related to mechanical and electrical, and environment is related to the civil part, but here the environment is more general kind of thing which you have studied in the smaller classes as well. So ICT information, this is related to EC and CS branch. Okay, in EC there is a subject called communication, from that a major part of the syllabus is being taken. Similarly, when we are talking about the previous case, these three are for all the branches. Okay, because these subjects you study in all the branches. Current affair is new for everyone. Then my dear, basics of material science is there for mechanical and electrical peoples, and for engineering services syllabus it is there in EC syllabus as well. Then basics of project management, it is having some part from civil engineering and some part from mechanical engineering. So guys, I have told you for individual subject that from where their syllabus have been taken. Now the point is, if you see all these 10 subjects, they are there for all the branches. Okay, like when you are preparing for ESC paper 1, all these you need to study. So as I said, if you see the topper marks, they are lying between 90 to 130. And you will see generally mechanical civil peoples are getting the highest higher side marks. ECEE peoples are getting lower side because their subjects here are lesser. But don't worry, now I will tell you a technique where you can optimize your marks. This is out of 200. Okay, so my dear, it simply says that you need not to worry about each and every subject, because my dear, if you will be going for each and every subject in great detail, this will take a lot of time of yours, and better if you are going to put that time into the technicals, there you can score more from the out of 300 marks, because individual cutoffs are very less. You know, for 200 marks, individual cutoff is hardly 30 marks. Okay, so overall the marks should be more out of the 500. So that is why I have made a wonderful order. First, I would like to tell you the subjects which every branch student have to go for. Okay, so you must start with the subjects like engineering mathematics because all of you study that for GATE as well. Then aptitude and then current affairs. This is something which is equal for all the branches. After that, basics of material science I have kept because for mechanical and electrical and EC they are going to study for GATE and technical ESC. And for civil people, why I have added this? Because you study major part of this in the 12th class. Because in the 12th class you study crystal structure chapter and crystal defect. That covers around 40% of the syllabus of this. And civil people study stress strain diagram and properties of material. That also covered 10 to 20%. So more than 60% you have studied somewhere. So that is why I added this for all the branches. And then my dear, we are having engineering drawing, that also you study in the first year of engineering, every branch. So these are the subject where every branch student must focus. Now my dear, for other subjects I have made the bifurcation. Like for mechanical and civil student must target the next subject as basics of project management because it is related to your branch. Then standardized quality practices, here numerical part is there. Then my dear, basics of energy and environment, energy related to mechanical, environment is general part, civil peoples may get it easily. Engineering ethics is management subject. At the last we would be having, second last design and fire safety, and last we will be having ICT. If you find problem with that subject, you can also leave it because this is the subject which is going to be most difficult for mechanical civil peoples. As here related to computer and communication is asking. I am not saying कि leave it, but if you find difficulties and you feel कि क्या मैं इसके बिना कर सकता हूँ, तो answer is yes, you can do that. Then my dear, for ECEE, the preference order should be ICT first, after those subjects. Then you must go for ethics because it is management subject. Then energy and environment because energy part is coming for electrical and EC for technical syllabus. Project management, it is going to be somehow related to management as well. Okay, its half part is management, half is related to mechanical civil, so that you can go. Okay, then I will go for standard and quality practices and design and fire safety. So design part may be difficult for ECEE peoples. Okay, so like ICT was difficult for mechanical civil, for you guys this part is going to be most difficult. So guys, whatever the preference order I have shown, it means you need to take care of more about these subjects, and these should be your least preferences. Okay, like if you feel you will be going for 8 out of 10 subjects, then you can go up to this. Okay, so as I said, if you are going to give that effort into technical, you can get more advantage. But if you want to go for all the subjects, then it's fine. I am not saying कि कुछ छोड़ना है, but जो भी preference order मैंने बताया आप उसको follow कर सकते हो. वैसा फॉलो करने से आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा मार्क्स सिक्योर कर पाओगे और कम से कम एफर्ट्स के अंदर. ठीक है, तो यही होना चाहिए टारगेट. अब पॉइंट ये उठता है सर किससे ज्यादा आता है, तो देखो इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज में ऐसा कुछ बोला नहीं गया है. हालांकि बोला तो ये गया है कि 5% से 15% रहेगा हर सब्जेक्ट का वेटेज, बट वो लोग खुद अपना रूल तोड़ते रहते हैं. बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ है कि मटीरियल साइंस से 26 नंबर का आ गया, और कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि 10 नंबर का ही आया. कभी कभी आपको मिलेगा कि एनर्जी एंड एनवायरमेंट से एक बार बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आ गए थे. तो ऐसा कोई रूल बना जरूर है, बट ये पूरी तरह से फॉलो नहीं होता है. हो सकता है आपको कभी प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट से ज्यादा मिल जाए, कभी एनर्जी एनवायरमेंट से ज्यादा मिल जाए. लास्ट ईयर आईसीटी और एथिक्स से ज्यादा थे, तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो इसलिए इस चीज के बारे में बहुत ज्यादा नहीं बोल सकते. सो आई फील दैट इज इनफ फ्रॉम माई साइड. यू कैन फॉलो इट फॉर योर प्रिपरेशन and you will be getting benefited. So goodbye guys for this particular session. Stay tuned with us for such more wonderful session. Goodbye.